刚头 no huh?
Sorry guys, I combined Cantonese and Mandarin in the same thing. Okay, it's Beef Chow Fun in English for you guys. Let's start with our ingredients here. Let's start off with a fresh pack of rice noodles, an onion, ginger, Chinese chives. If you don't have it, that's okay. Green onions, bean sprouts, and some beef.
I'm gonna slice these noodles. They should look like this. If you guys can see here, I have the fresh noodles and they usually are together like this, but they come really thick, so they usually come about this wide, but we want to make sure that we have noodles that are about this thin. We're just gonna take a chunk and slice it. So let me go ahead, you want to do this thickness here, and then pull it apart. It'll be this thin. Perfect. So we have this type of thickness. We used 1.5 of these here, and it's about this much.
Now we're gonna go ahead and slice up your beef.
So you want to cut your beef as thin like this.
Once you've sliced everything, let's go ahead and marinate our beef. Let's take half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's go ahead and give it a good mix. And add some white pepper to taste. And add half a tablespoon of cornstarch.
Okay, and now you've marinated your meat, and you can put it in the fridge until we start cooking. We are going to pre-marinate this.
Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. You can add a little bit more because we want to have that nice coloration on the fun. Here you want to add another half tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Come on, come on, come on. It's really hard to do this with your left hand, guys. So now you can mix it with your hands.
On a high heat pan, you want to cook your veggies. Add your onion, Chinese chives, and bean sprouts. After the veggies are done, go ahead and put that aside, and now we're going to cook our beef. On another hot sizzling pan, add your beef to a pan. After you seared your beef for a little bit, set your beef aside and add green onions to the pan. You want to throw all of your rice noodle into the pan. If you feel like your noodles aren't covered enough, go ahead and add a little bit more oyster sauce as well. The rice noodles are heating up. Go ahead and add your veggies and then your beef. Let's go ahead and taste test this for you guys. Oh my god, it's so much flavor. Oh, it's kind of windy out here. If you guys like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Guys, this rocking chair behind me.